Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix a Reddit login problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to be doing over here is you're going to go ahead and open up your Reddit app. And then when you open it up, you're gonna make sure that your internet connection is also good and your app is updated. So you can see this here in the profile section. You're gonna find this kind of interface, and so when you're going to the login section and adding in your information, and in the password section, what you're going to do is you're going to go to forgot password, because if you have in case forgotten your password and that is why you're not being able to log in, then you're gonna do the forgot password and you're gonna request a code to reset your password. Once you have reset your password, you're gonna restart your app, come over here, add in information, you shall be able to get logged in. But again, if that doesn't help, as I mentioned, go ahead, go to your app store and check out whether your app is updated or not. Go to search bar and type in Reddit over here and check if it needs an update, because if it does, and that can also be the problem, tap on update and you're good to go. That's basically how you will solve. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.